Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, we've had 2 snowstorms in the past week, and anyway, I just want to go out to the shelter and shovel it off, dig it out, whatever it takes. And yeah, it's a beautiful day today. It's overcast, but other than that, the temperature is nice. It's just around the freezing point, or just below the freezing point. Can't really see my breath. So yeah. Why don't you come along? Lots of squirrel footprints. Altogether, I think we got about 30 centimeters, or about a foot of snow. So I think it was our most significant snowfall that we've had all season. So yeah, it makes a big difference. Well, here we are. Looks pretty good. Looks like a fox. Actually, I can see some toes there. So that's actually a raccoon. Yeah. Yeah, the toe prints, you can see them right in that print right there. Yep, definitely raccoon there. And those are just squirrel prints. So these are just squirrels. Just heard the snow collapse. Actually, the back side of that shelter doesn't look real healthy. See how here it bulges out and there it doesn't? I don't know if that's just snow accumulation at this point, or whether that's collapsed back there. Well, I guess I'll just have to dig it out and find out. I'm digging with my hand because I really don't want to damage the tarp any more than it already is with that shovel. Okay, so it looks like it did suffer some structural damage. Let me just go inside with you and point it out to you. Okay, so now if you look up towards the ceiling, you can see that it's all bowed in. So what's happened is that backbone has cracked about halfway down. And so I'm going to have to take all the snow off just to keep it from collapsing further. Well, that's a lot of snow. That's way more snow than I thought there was. It's almost 2 feet of snow there. So that would be like, I don't know, 50, 60 centimeters from the top of the shelter to the top of the snow. Well, better get at it. Now that the snow is off of it, kind of sprung back up again, but there's still a big crack in that backbone. I'll have to get a forked branch just to prop it up in the middle somewhere. If I intend to use it before I can replace that cross member. Well, I'm going to put the canopy up and make a cup of tea. It's been a long day. Well, now that the snow's off, I'll show you what it's like inside. There you can see that the backbone has got a big twist in it. Actually, I don't see it on the camera. Why is that? Not quite pointing it in the right direction. Anyway, I can see a real bad twist right there. And the only thing that kept it up is this piece of cordage. See, there's a big crack right in there. And look, there's a piece of cordage there. Isn't that something, eh? Yeah. Huh. If that cordage hadn't been there, this would have been flat. Incredible. Yeah. Yeah, so the next thing to do about here, I think, the next time I'm out, is to find myself a good upright with a fork in it, wide enough to go across the backbone here. That'll just keep it going until the summer, I guess. Okay, I need a cup of tea. Gotta boil some water. I used to have to duck quite a bit in here, but now I have to duck even more. It's a fair amount of snow out here. We had a peculiar winter. Really no snow at all until the last week and a half. Oh well, you get what you get. Yeah, she's seen better days, that's for sure. Got some places where the tarp is blown out because of the force. As you can see right there, the horizontal member has poked right through the tarp there. And there's some other small holes here and there as well. Yep, she's seen better days, that's for sure. Yep, it's been a long day for sure. A lot of throat. Can't even talk. Yeah, it's been a long day. Anyway, I want to thank you all for joining me today. I'd like to thank you all for joining me today. Wasn't too bad of a day. I mean, as far as the temperature goes, it's quite mild and no wind or anything like that, so that was good, but kind of disappointing on the shelter. But it didn't totally collapse, so we got that going for us. Anyway, I'm going to finish my tea, pack up, and head back. So, till next time, this Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.